Hey, I know you pretty much didn't see me in the entire video, but I did want to say that this tea did come out good. I'm just gonna drink it in front of you. I think, let me drink it again to rate it. I think it's 10 out of 10, guys, and the reason why is because I like more natural things. I feel that when you have something that you kind of make on your own, and then you also have a bunch of it for later if you need to. I actually drink that whole thing the entire day, throughout the day. It's just like I don't waste. I feel like that I'm using everything in my fridge, and it's pretty healthy, and it just keeps me young. I just want to say that the herbs that I get for my teas, they're not necessarily from United States. They're not in this country. I haven't really looked in New York to see where exactly I can get like fresh herbs, which I'm sure you can, or dried up herbs. I'm sure you can. I just haven't really looked. I actually get them from Ecuador, and then, you know, whether I go there or my family goes there, they kind of give me that, a bag of like a lot of different herbs, and that's kind of how I try it. On a side note, I mean, I think some of you guys know that I'm studying now, and I'm in my master's program pretty much for HR, but if I could pick truly what I want to do, it would be along the lines of cooking. It would be along the lines of opening a restaurant, or opening like even if it was like less than that, maybe a tea shop or a coffee shop. I would love that. I used to drink coffee all the time, believe it or not, when I was little. So my grandma always had fresh cup of coffee every morning. Then I stopped maybe around 7. Stopped having coffee, just pretty much drank tea my whole life. And then I got back into coffee drinking around my little, maybe mid-20s, yeah, somewhere around there. And I enjoy it. I actually grind up my own coffee beans and make my own fresh coffee. Again, coffee is pretty much from Ecuador. I don't have anything out of here that I particularly like, only because I haven't tried, and I should. Because I think you should try every different type of coffee bean, because you don't really know what kind of coffee you like until you try. Now, you're gonna sit here and tell me, well, why'd you waste money to go to school? Well, why wouldn't you waste money to go to school? I mean, it's an investment, and I need to make a certain amount of money in order to invest more money in a business. So that's my thinking, critical thinking. Am I still gonna be doing this? Yes, I will. I do love this. Do I? Do I love this? I actually do. I generally kind of like, for the first time in my life, never made a script. I kind of just winged it today. Hopefully it's good. Let me know in the comments below how this came out. Let me know if this is something like a type of content you like. I do have a reel that I've made on this tea. If you're curious about the teapot, I will place it on the link below in the description box if I can find it. If I can't, I'm sorry. But most likely, I think I have the link kept. Alright guys, if you know anything about my videos, I love to keep you guys very well educated and why I use each ingredient in this tea. Alright, let's go. So, oranges guys, vitamin C, if you know, it lowers down blood sugar levels and reduces increasing high cholesterol. Limes guys, another vitamin C antioxidant, and also it kind of reduces any inflammation. If you feel like you're puffed out in the body, maybe you feel like you ate too much, you're a little bit bloated, have some lemon with water, or have some lemon or lime. Lime and lemon are kind of like the same thing, to reduce any bloating, inflammation and stuff like that. Turmeric guys, so I just want to let you know about this one, and I kind of have to about that because I keep forgetting to put some turmeric in my food, and I kind of want to do it almost every time, because besides it improving heart health, it also will reduce the fact of having old timers, and nobody really wants to get old at the age of 60 and kind of lose your mind. I kind of want to get old at the age of 110 because I think I can live that long. Black pepper, I put that on everything. So that is great for bone health. It's great for metabolism. It's also great for wound healing. So if you have any wounds on the body, I suggest you have some black pepper on something. Honey baby. So honey is really good for your brain health as much as it's good for as an antioxidant. It's good for obviously if you're sick, if you have any sore throats, you would want to put honey into like your teas and stuff. It's also good for any digestive issues. Last but not least is hibiscus tea, and I do not know too much of hibiscus tea on top of my head, what it's good for. I know it's probably for inflammation. I feel like it's good for everything, all of them combined. So I'm gonna Google that. So it's good to protect with antioxidants. It's fighting inflammation. You know what I mean. Lowers blood pressure. Lowers cholesterol, promotes weight loss, fights bacteria, supports liver health. So pretty much it does the same thing. So it's obviously liver is in there, so that's pretty good. I don't know everything by heart, but I try. So yeah, I had to turn off the yellow lighting from the kitchen because it was too much, but now this is natural light, so I don't know if this is gonna come out a little too dark, a little bit too light, maybe not at all. I'm really white, so you can kind of see me, but who knows. So, I hope you guys have a good one. Hit the like if you have liked this video, enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. And take care and have a good one. Peace.